This YouTube privacy setting could be risky. Disable it now. You open YouTube to watch videos, simple, harmless, everyday stuff. But what if I told you that one privacy setting in YouTube could quietly expose your activity more than you think? Not in a dramatic you're being hacked way, but in a way that affects your recommendations, your data tracking, and how much your viewing behavior is linked back to your account. Most people never touch this setting, and that is exactly the problem. First, let's understand how YouTube works. YouTube doesn't just track what you watch, it builds a profile based on watch history, search history, watch time, likes, and dislikes. This data is used for recommendations, ads personalization, content suggestions, and trend protection. Now, the key setting is pause watch history and search history. So, inside of your Google account, YouTube activity is controlled by YouTube history, watch history, and search history. So, basically, how you turn it off is what you're going to do. You're going to open up your YouTube, tap on your profile picture, and from here, you're going to go over to your settings. From your settings, you're going to go over to your general account work, and what you can do from here is you're first going to go to view or change your Google account setting, because this is mainly where you can disable it, but obviously this is if you're on your phone. If you are on your PCs or laptops, what you can do from here on out is simply wait for things to load up. And once they're done, you can go over to your privacy. And once you're in your privacy, you can turn all of these things off. And once you have gone ahead and turned all of those off, what's going to happen from here is you're pretty much good to go. You have gone ahead and made your YouTube complete and obsolete, and it won't change according to your technical changes. So that is pretty much about it for this video. Thank you for watching till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Have a great day. Goodbye.